Okay, so this particular video, we're gonna be going down this really busy street. I'm just gonna try to frame some of the coolest stuff that we see on this particular street. And this is definitely one of them. And we'll just try to capture it from different angles. This angle right here. So we'll capture it like that. Through our alley. And what we're gonna do is go down this way. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. We're gonna try to capture as many angles and coolness that we can of this particular space. Okay. Let's see. Kashilak, that looks like a Filipino name. I don't know if it is or not. Starbucks is right there. We'll capture that as well. And we're gonna capture this one. And this is a market. I'm gonna go down this one. So let me just see what we can see in this space. So the sun is kind of capturing things at the right here. There's no sun, so this is a better angle towards this right here. You can see all the lines for this particular place. I'm just gonna go all the way down. They're selling things. Hello. Oh, good. So those ones are good? Not good?
No.
Not good?
Not
bad. So, Turkish ice cream. So, okay. Let's just go all the way down. Pretty crowded. So this whole space is big tourist space. So I'm just gonna walk down this way. Try to capture some of these eagles. A lot of tourists in on this particular street. More pork chop buns. Hello. Let me see. It's okay. Pretty cool looking street. It's probably the most touristy street in Taipa by a long shot. So we're just going to keep walking all the way down to the end of the street, and we're going to film in that particular space. Actually, that's a pretty cool building right there, Pasteleria. It's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna fade over to this side and we're gonna be able to capture this whole street down this direction. Try to catch it here. There we go. And also this whole peripheral part is pretty interesting too. We got this, and you also have this yellow side as well. So you got this nice banyan tree. Got some artwork right here. You have this building here. And then in the past, this used to be invisible. There's like a little Sao Paulo ruins miniature in there. But looks like they don't want people to go back in there. Maybe they would urinate or something, who knows. There's actually a bathroom right there, public bathroom. But it's under construction, so maybe it's not used so much. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da polvilhinha.